How to find and join Roblox only voice chat servers. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to find servers that only allows voice chats on Roblox. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads as well. So the first thing that you're going to do is open this website called Rollimons, and once you hit for search for Rollimons, you can go ahead and click on this first website, which is rollimons.com. It is a trading website where you will get free accessories and you can purchase different accessories for your Roblox. So on the top you'll find different tabs like trading, catalog, UGC, players, and then games. Head over to the games and then tap on the game catalog. And here what you're going to do is search for the server that you want to find. For example, please donate. So here is this server, and if it says only voice chat right besides the servers, then that means only your voice chat is allowed on that server. For example, if I just search for voice chat, as you can see here, all of these servers only allow voice chats. Now in this case, if you want to join this one right here, social hangout, just tap on this and then you can tap on play on Roblox and it will directly take you to that server on your Roblox. And once you get here, you can just go ahead and tap on join or play and you should be able to join the server. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.